Let's start today's topic. My topic is very simple, and the question on that topic normally comes in every competitive exam. The topic name is articles. Now, first of all, what are these articles? The main problem of the students, that is, they do not know the definitions. They just simply translate the things in Hindi or in any language, but they do not know how to explain and describe it. One more thing, that my sole aim is to give you a concept based learning, and in learning, language must not be the barrier. So I would be bilingual in my lectures also, so that each and every student can grasp it. Those who are the beginners and those who have touched some milestones. So I would be bilingual in my lectures. Language is a phenomenon that is very easy to learn. Simply you need practice. More and more you practice it, more and more your concepts would be cleared. So now, articles are the parts of determiners. Determiners. Now what are they? Determiners, the word is derived from determine. What do you mean by it, first of all? Determine means to fix or to mark something. I again repeat, determine means to fix or to mark something. किसी चीज को निश्चित कर देना, to fix. Now, what are the role of determiners in this sentence? What they do? क्या करते हैं ये? They simply mark or fix the meanings of nouns in the sentence. Or I must say, they limit or restrict the meaning of nouns in a sentence. ये वर्ड्स सेंटेंस में नाउन्स के मीनिंग्स को लिमिट कर देते हैं, फिक्स कर देते हैं. Now, let's see an example. If I say that the word people or the word boys or the word girls, what do you mean by it? I simply write here the word people, the word boys, the word girls. What do you mean by it? We can say that here we are not actually quoting the boys. Who are they? We don't know. The people, who are they? We don't know. The girls, who are they? We don't know. The meaning of the word people, boys, girls are not fixed here. Simply अगर हम कहें boys, लड़के, कौन से नहीं पता. Simply people, लोग, कौन से नहीं पता. Simply girls, लड़कियां, कौन सी नहीं पता. The meaning is not fixed, but if I put it the word before them, like these, those, these girls, those people, these boys. Now what I did, क्या किया मैंने? I simply make the meanings limited. These girls, ये लड़कियां. Those people, वो लोग. These boys, ये लड़के. Now the meaning is somehow limited. The meaning is made restricted. Meaning को निश्चित कर दिया गया, restrict कर दिया गया, limit कर दिया गया. Now we know that to whom we are talking about. अब शायद हमें पता लग जाएगा कि हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. These boys are playing. Only these boys. To whom I am addressing. जिनकी तरफ मैं इशारा कर रहा हूं. These. This word is used for addressing those boys. This word addressing the people to whom we are talking about. This word addressing the girls to whom we are talking about. These girls are from class 10th. So I am talking about only these girls. So now the meaning of these nouns, girls, people, boys, these all are nouns. These all are common nouns. ये सभी कॉमन नाउन हैं और इनके मीनिंग को लिमिटाइज कर दिया गया, रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर दिया गया है. नाउ द वर्ड दीज, दोज, अगेन these are the words what we call determiners, and they are definitely satisfying the meaning, the definition of the word determiners. So we have a question here, or we have a concept here that the determiners are those words which fix or mark the meanings of the nouns in this sentence. So this is somehow the overview of determiners. And the very first category of determiner, that is articles. My main topic is for today's lecture is articles. So what are they? They are mainly three: a, and the. These are the first category of determiners, and these are only a, and, or the. There are 5 categories of determiners. 5 तरह की किस्में हैं.